Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Honda CBR500R. Twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected sport bike. This one's got a lot of really cool upgrades. Nice smoke windscreen, adjustable levers, beautiful condition on this red, white, and blue Honda HRC paint scheme. A great sounding Kaufman's exhaust system, and it's got a rear luggage rack and detachable GV side cases. Soft-sided, expanding side cases. So if you want to do a little sport touring or just commuting, this bike's the one for you. 60 plus miles per gallon, fantastic condition, only $45.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.